Okay, here's my sweet potato harvest. Not too shabby. This is my biggest one. That's what she said. Big sweet potato right here. These are the red ones. This was all harvested in a 7-foot long by 4-foot wide bed, raised bed. I think I got as many as last year or close to it, and it was a lot less labor because the soil was so loose. The clay is hard to work in, so last year was much harder. There's a nice one. Look at that bad boy. Kind of looks like a snake or something. There you go. Yeah, there's a nice one right there for you. Nice sweet tater. And here's the traditional orange ones. I got some nice ones down here. Hopefully bring some of these to Alabama for the family reunion. And there you go, all my sweet potatoes.